Hello and welcome on this very busy morning. Now, the economic survey of 2025 warns of meaningful stock market corrections in 2025. Elevated valuation and optimistic market sentiment in the United States have raised the likelihood of meaningful market corrections for this year. Now, when the Indian stock market said that the economic survey of 2025 tabled in the parliament on Friday, should such a corrections occur, the economic survey reveal cautious it could have a cascade effect on India, especially given the increased participation of young, relatively new retail investors in the Indian stock market. Now, the many of these investors have been entered the market post pandemic and have never witnessed a significant prolonged market correction. Hence, if once occur, the impact with the sentiment and spending may be non-trivial. The economic survey of 2025 Nifty 50 S&P 500 corrections, the Indian equity market, according to the survey, has been notably sensitive in the movement. Now, in the US market too, the Nifty 50 index, it has historically shown strong corrections with the S&P 500. An analysis of daily index returns between the 2000 to 2024 reveals that the instance with the S&P 500 corrected by over 10% each. The Nifty posted a negative return in all but in one case, averaging to 10.7% decline. On the other hand, during the 51 instance when the Nifty 50 experienced a correction of over a 10%, with the S&P 500 exhibited a positive return with the 13 instance, and with positive return with the upper circuit of 5%, even as the resilience demonstrated by the Indian stock market, supported by the growing retail participation, is promising that the risk associated with the potential US market corrections cannot be overlooked. Even the historic trend economic survey revealed that. Now, to the US stock market, meanwhile, the economic survey revealed that the solid run for the second year is raw, outperforming the broader developed market pack on the back of healthy corporate earnings and economic resilience, strengthening rate cut expectations early in the year and all-time investors' confidence. The rally over the last 2 years in the US stock market, has a survey note, has been largely driven by a few mega capitalizations technology companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, Nvidia. This is said in the reflected it's as a strong 40% year to date returns in the S&P 500. S&P 500 top index, following a 21% gain in previous year. Now, to the S&P index is well as quotes is generated over 20% return on in 2024 from a longer to the index has been rallied 56% in 2023 and 2024 as well, more than double that generate by the equal weight index. So this, along with the tapping rate cut expectations with the US Federal Reserve dot now suggesting a 50 basis point cut in 2025, down from the earlier guidance of 100 basis points, have been added to the potential risk and uncertainty. So regard the sustainability to the US market, the economic survey have been said and revealed that. Now, the Federal Open Market Committee kept a rate on the hold at that January meeting. As widely expected, the meeting statement was hawkish, but Jerome Powell, US Fed chair, downplayed the hopes of rate cut in March of 2025. We have revised our Fed call, and now expected rate will be remain on the hold through the year. wrote analyst. Meanwhile, the rally in US market has pushed a valuation of unattractive zone currently at their third highest level as the indication which show that the 500 cylindrical adjusted price earning ratio or the CAPEX ratio warrant some cautious. That's all. I shall see you soon.